Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In case you're new here, kindly subscribe, and in case you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. Guys, I am seated down here. I am so lazy. I feel so lazy, like I don't feel like I can do anything right now. I just want to be on my laptop, and you guys can see how my kitchen looks like. Like my house is a total mess, from the kitchen to the bedroom to the sitting room. Like the place is just so messy, but at the end of it all, I have to motivate myself. I have to tell myself, you know what, it will just take 5 minutes and then I'll gain the momentum of what I'm going to do. So this is what I'm doing. I am standing up to go and start with the kitchen, of course, to wash the utensils because they are damn dirty. Like everything is just everywhere. Yeah, but I have to do this. At this point, I had already gotten the momentum to do what I was doing, and I didn't feel like I was actually lazy, like I am in the work already. One thing about me, I hate using steel wool to clean my sufurias, and I have one. Of course, I'm supposed to use steel wool to clean my sufurias, and if you see me cleaning with a steel wool, that means I am in the mood of doing cleaning, like general cleaning. My friends can attest to me not using the steel wool. Like sometimes my friends come to my place and they are the ones actually cleaning my sufurias with the steel wool. What a shame. What a shame. So yes guys, if you see me using it, just know I am inside the work. I am doing the work and I've already gained the momentum. I don't feel like, you know what, I should just go back and sit down. No, I am fully motivated to do what I was actually doing. I am done cleaning the utensils, and it took me around 20 minutes, if I'm not wrong, 20 to 25 minutes, and it feels so nice to see the sink looking this clean. Like there's that feeling that comes with a clean place. I don't know whether you guys get me, but if you have had a dirty sink before and then you clean it, you usually feel some kind of a satisfaction when looking at it. Everything is clean. You're just feeling wow. So that's exactly how I'm feeling right now. I'm just wiping the sink so that I can make sure my kitchen is completely clean and stunning. After cleaning my kitchen, here I have some onions that I had gotten. I had actually put them outside for sun drying so that they can be hard. You know, there's this tendency of onions, when you buy onions, they become mushy with time. So to prevent that, I had put them outside for sun drying. And imagine, since I put them outside like 5 days ago, I had not returned them back to where I usually put my vegetables, like my onions and tomatoes. That's so bad. And here I'm starting to clean my sitting room, and by my sitting room I'm going to start with my study table. This is where I study, this is where I eat. It's not a dining, it's a study table that I have put in the sitting room. So yeah. After cleaning the study table, I am now preparing to clean my sitting room, and as you can see, It is so messy. I think I've been going through a lot of late, like a lot, to an extent whereby I'm not able to put my things together. They're just scattered everywhere. But at the end of it all, you realize that you are the one to do that work. You are the one to keep your place clean, and you are the one to do everything. So I have to put my place as clean as I can, because as we all know, cleanliness is second to godliness, and we have to stay in a clean environment. Here I'm just removing some particles from the seat as I arrange the seat. After making the seat, now I am just wiping the dust from the speakers of the Ufa, and yay guys, I got myself an Ufa. I was obsessed with getting an Ufa, and eventually I got myself one. Yeah, I love listening to music. Music is a therapy. Music is a drug. Music is just so addictive, and music just calms me down. Let me just say that. If I'm thinking a lot, I'll just have to listen to music, and I'll just be carried away from the thing I was thinking about. So yeah, I had to get myself an Ufa, and it has come through a lot for me during this period of time. Like, this is a period of time that I'm going through a lot, and this Ufa is actually my best friend. It's my love. It's almost my everything, since it's giving me the vibe, that loud music that I want to listen to. It's just the best for now. It's just the best. Now I am sweeping the carpet. As you guys can see, it's dirty. I have had this black carpet for almost now, I think 1 year. Yeah, if I'm not wrong, 1 year or 1.5 years. I can't remember really well, and it has served me big time. Guys, you can see how it's dirty. The good thing with this black carpet, all you have to do is just sweep the carpet if it has a lot of particles, and then in case something pours on top of it, you just use your mopper or your rag, whatever you use to clean your floor, to dry it, and that's it. Guys, you're seeing how this place has been dirty, and I have been in the house. Oh my goodness, I've just been indoors doing nothing, totally nothing, not motivated to do anything, just listening to music, cooking, eating. Yeah, and living one day at a time, because why? Hello guys, just look at that, and compare with what you saw before I even started cleaning this sitting room and the kitchen. Oh my goodness, you guys can see how the place is already looking stunning, but I've not yet gotten to the bedroom. But anyway, so far so good. This is what is motivating me right now, and I'm looking at this sitting room, the way it looks like, the way it's clean, the way it just looks stunning. I just feel like, you know what, you got this. You're going to clean the toilet, or rather the washroom, and still clean the bedroom, because this is what motivates me. Seeing something that is clean, you just feel like you should continue cleaning and clean, rather than just going back to sitting down and doing nothing at all. Guys, just look at that. This is amazing. Wow, so satisfying to see something that is clean like this. Good job, baby girl. Good job. Guys, just follow me. You are not ready to see my bedroom. Oh my goodness, you ain't ready to see it. Just look at this. Just look at all this mess. And I've been in the house. I've just not been feeling like doing anything. Like, I was unmotivated to do anything. Like, nothing at all. Nothing. I couldn't do anything. I was feeling like I should just sit and not do anything. This is what happens with the dolls when I'm sleeping on the bed. I just throw them all over, like everywhere. Look at those clothes. Like, I have a lot of clothes that I've not washed. What am I even doing with my life? Oh my goodness. I have not washed all these clothes. And they are waiting for Leah Wambui to actually clean them. Where do I get that energy? Anyway, one step at a time. Let me start first by cleaning the house, and then I'll know what to do about the clothes later, because if I start thinking about the clothes, honestly, I'll just give up and stop doing whatever I'm doing right now and just stay and just sit down, because wow, these clothes, nah. Anyway, here I'm arranging my babies, my dolls, my sweethearts. They are there. I throw them away at night. I'm so sorry, baby boys and baby girls. I'm sorry, there are 2 girls and 2 boys. Yes, those are my loves, my kids. Yes, they keep me company during the night and during the day when I'm alone, since I'm alone. And yeah. Now let's come to these clothes. Oh God, what am I supposed to do with them? Like, what am I supposed to do with them? I'm just going to put them in the laundry basket, and then later on, tomorrow, let me say tomorrow, I'm going to know how Mama Foy is supposed to come and wash them, because nah, I don't like this. I don't like what I'm seeing. So guys, my house was actually so dirty, as you can see, but let's wait for the final look of the house. It's going to look stunning. So after doing all the arranging of the things, like what I've done, the thing that is remaining is now cleaning the floor, that is mopping the floor. My floor usually gets so dirty. I don't know why. It usually gets a lot of particles. And actually, as you can see, I'm using a sweater. It was a crop sweater that I cut, because the mop that I have, it used to leave some particles, those blanket particles on the floor. So I just decided, you know what, I'm just going to take one of my crop sweaters, cut it into 2, so that I can make it a mopper that I can use to clean my floor. Because before, honestly, I used to clean with that blanket kind of a mopper. Then after the floor dries, I take broom, and then I have to start sweeping. No, you guys, I think you can see how the floor looks like, those small particles like that. I don't know where they come from. I don't know. And sometimes it's hard to wash them if I don't have the mopper with the right fabric that I can use to clean the floor. This one takes around maybe 10 minutes to clean the whole house, because that's not a lot. The thing that actually takes my time is washing the utensils and arranging the place, because you guys have seen how this place looked like. But wait for the outcome. Here I'm cleaning the wall around my gas because of the stains that usually come from the food that I was cooking or something. So just cleaning the wall and make sure that it's clean and stunning. Yeah. After making sure that the floor is clean, I cannot forget to clean my washroom because it also needs to be cleaned. Yeah, so I'm just pouring some Vim on the floor. Then using a brush, I'm going to brush it off. Like, I'm just going to wash the floor. And after that, I'm going to clean the toilet using the Harpic. And yeah, our washroom will be clean, and then wipe the sink a little bit, and there we go. can we now just have the honors of looking at this house, this clean house? Just look at the sitting room, how it looks. The seat is clean, like it is arranged well. It's so attractive and so satisfying. Oh my goodness. Just look at this. And then coming to the kitchen side. Wow, look at that sink. Yani, it just feels so nice. It feels so nice. At this point, I felt like I had done the most. Like, I felt so proud of myself. Like, damn. Before I was just sitting down in a messy house, and now here I am with this clean and attractive house. Wow. Just look at that bedroom, guys. Look at it and compare to what you had seen before. Isn't this a transformation? Have you guys been motivated to clean your own houses? Because I bet if you watch this video, you are definitely going to be motivated to clean your own home, and it's going to look marvelous. So if you're seated down there, you feel so lazy, wake up and start the cleaning, because it just requires you 2 minutes and then you gain the momentum and you are good to go. So guys, that is it for today's video. In case you're new here, kindly subscribe. And yeah, always remember to be kind and do good to people. Till next time, bye guys. I love you all so much. Mwah.